What's the meaning of adventuresome? Adventuresome. 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 Adventuresome is an adjective used to describe a person who is willing to take risks and engage in exciting or unknown activities. It suggests a bold and daring attitude towards life that is motivated by the desire for excitement and novelty. Adventuresome people seek out challenges and are not afraid of failure or uncertainty. They often have a passion for exploration and discovery, whether it be through travel, creative pursuits, or athletic endeavors. This mindset can lead to fulfilling experiences and personal growth, but it can also come with potential dangers or drawbacks.